Alright, welcome back to the channel. If you're just joining me for the first time, welcome. This tiny German pistol has been carried by spies, detectives, and even a dictator. You know it from James Bond, but here are 3 facts you probably didn't know about the Walther PPK. Born in 1931, the PPK doesn't mean what you think. It stands for Polizeipistole Kriminal Model, literally police pistol detective model. It was designed for plainclothes officers who needed something small that they could conceal but also reliable. On April 30th, 1945, Adolf Hitler used a Walther PPK chambered in 7.65mm to end his life inside his Berlin bunker. Soviet troops recovered this pistol. Photographs confirm the weapon. Its exact whereabouts today remain a mystery, although it is believed that it was given to Stalin as a gift. After Germany's defeat in 1945, Walther was forbidden from producing firearms. The company's factory in Zella Milas was dismantled, and the PPK disappeared from production for several years. James Bond didn't always carry the Walther PPK. In Ian Fleming's early models, he carried a .25 caliber Beretta. But a real gun expert told Fleming that that was a lady's gun. So in 1962's film Dr. No, Bond was upgraded to the Walther PPK, and that decision made the pistol a pop culture icon forever. By the early 1950s, Walther partnered with the French manufacturer Monoron. For nearly 2 decades, every post-war PPK was actually produced in France, then imported into Germany, where Walther would mark and sell them. These Monoron-made pistols are considered some of the highest quality PPKs ever built. In 1968, U.S. import laws banned small foreign pistols. Walther responded by creating the PPK-S, such as my example here, a slightly larger version combining the PPK slide with the Walther PP frame. This redesign was a direct response to American law, and it allowed Walther to keep selling pistols to the U.S. civilian market. Since then, the Walther PPK has worn many stamps: German Walther, French Monoron, American Inner Arms in Virginia, Smith & Wesson in the 2000s, and now Walther Arms in Fort Smith, Arkansas. Each generation has its quirks, but the design, legacy, and popularity remains the same. Although designed for detectives, the PPK became a favorite for post-war police units across Europe. It also developed a following in America among concealed carriers, valued for its slim profile and double-action safety long before polymer pistols took over. Today, in 2025, the Walther PPK is still available new in the United States, chambered in .380 ACP and .22 long rifle. They're manufactured in Fort Smith, Arkansas, and sold through major retailers like Cabela's, Bass Pro Shop, and a lot of specialty gun shops. Remarkably, a design that debuted in 1931 is still on the shelves nearly a century later.